This is for my babies, my babies, my babies, my babies. My beautiful baby.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I have this quick hair tutorial for you guys. The first thing I did is I did section my hair into two parts, and then the front I section it into two parts, and then I go ahead and I braid 3 twists in the front, and then I braid 2 twists in the middle. I put a little gel around the edges just to make it look a little nicer.
It's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love. It's natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see.
And for the back portion, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in one, and then tuck it with a bobby pin.
And even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup heavy, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now. And even if you let your hair go.
And right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and crisscross the twists, one over the other. I'm gonna start with the front ones first, and then I'm gonna tuck them on the sides, kind of like to the back of my hair. I don't want to stretch it too much because I want it to have, like, you know, kind of like a crown.
Is you smiling? 'Cause baby I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck this piece in the middle, and then I'm tucking this last piece. These are the two. This is the third piece in the front. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.
Love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are.